If you want to see how I make these pretty glittery business cards, just stay tuned. What you will need is printable cardstock, a computer, and a printer. You can buy this cardstock from Walmart, Amazon, or eBay. You will need to use some type of program that you can insert in pictures from Google, and I'm using the Cricut Design Space, which came with my cutting machine, but you can also use Word. And Word is a good program to do business cards on too, but there's so much you can do. Now all you want to do is head over to Google, type in PNG transparent border frames, and you can choose any transparent background if you're using a program that's able to work with transparent backgrounds. If you're working with Word, printers do not print out white backgrounds, so you would need a background that is white. But since I'm using my Cricut machine, I can use any transparent background. And I'm going to choose this one. Now all you have to do is just save. I'm going to save it as HH Cards. Now upload image into your program. Find your image. Hit complex. Hit continue. Now the most important step on this part is to save it as a print and cut if you're using the Cricut program. Bring the image into your blank screen. Resize the image. The width should be 3.5. The height should be 2.2. Now all you will need to do is find a font that you would like to use. And then as you can see, I found the font that I liked. It was simple and cute, and I changed the color to purple. Now select it and flatten it, so then it will become one piece. Select the image, duplicate it, and for this video, I'm only going to duplicate it 4 times. Now, if you're working with Word, you would not have to do all these extra steps. Now, all I'm going to do is go up to the right-hand corner, click Make It. Go to the bottom of the screen, click Continue, click Send to Printer. And don't forget to turn off the bleed. Select your printer, and then it will print out for you. It's pretty, you guys. I love using the Epson printer when I'm making business cards. But anyways, if you want to see me do all these steps on Word, just comment in the comments below and that you want to see it, and I will make the video. Now all you will have to do is take some scissors, cut around the border, and then you're done. Your own business cards. These cards came out so nice. As you can see, the colors came through. This video was just a basic video on how to make your own business cards. Once again, basic video, but look how shiny it is. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out.